Okay, everybody, I wanted to do a quick video today as this wasn't originally the first video I was going to send, but I wanted to kind of discuss the UJ trade that was called earlier. And so I spoke to one of the teammates, and I've already kind of cleared this with this person to make sure that everyone understands. Okay, so this person got in this trade, identified it as a sell, which is what my analysis indicated. Okay, and was up $2,000 in profit, and then it reversed. And then, of course, as you can see here, this is the 15-minute chart, then it continued to go up. Okay, so there was a bag here to win. All right, I'm going to show you where it's at. So this is the 15-minute candle. Okay, and it hit kind of the entry point depending on what your entry was. And then you can see this candle dropped, and at one point this candle dropped all the way here down to like 135, 915. Okay, so not every trade obviously will go even my way. Okay, even the best traders, okay, will lose trades. But here is what this person told me, and I want to make sure that everybody understands. One, you should be having a trade plan. What is your goal for the week? Okay. Two, you're in blue here. This trade in the first 30 minutes was in blue, and you cannot let greed get you when you have a bag to secure and you didn't even secure partials. So you can't wait for me to say secure partials or get the bag or it's in profit, because obviously you know that I help a lot of people, okay? And when it's, one of the rules, which I could pull up, I'm not going to do that. When it's blue, it's on you, okay? So this person failed to do that, up $2,000, and then lost it because this person wanted more, right? So that's not a good mindset approach. And again, if it continued to go down, perfect, but you should have at least had a stop loss. Even at break even, take partials here. When it activated here, came all the way down here, you should have taken at least partials. Even if you don't want to move the stop loss to entry, even if you move the stop loss, here a little bit, okay, then you still would have been profitable because you took your partials. But to do nothing is 100% the wrong move. This was in blue for 30 minutes, okay, before this candle finished up here, and it's still in profit. This partial should have been secured. If your trading plan is to secure the bag, perfect. Now, obviously, we all want 1 to 3, 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 25. You have seen me call out trades that literally last all week, okay? And on this one, it didn't. But when you have a bag that you can secure here, then you should have secured it. Okay, so people need to understand that I try to give alerts and updates, but you need to be watching it. Okay, and this is a trade that was in profit. Now, me personally, I only took very small partials, right? Because I truly believed it was going to go down, and it didn't, and it's okay. All right, I took a small bag and moved my stop loss. But once it's this far into profit, exit manager, taking partials, move your stop loss maybe a little closer to entry. Even if you don't want to move it to entry because it doesn't give you enough wiggle room, that's fine. But to not do anything here was the mistake. 100%. To not do anything when you're up $2,000, I don't care if you're playing with $100, $1,000, or $10,000. All right? On a $100 account, $5 is a lot of money. When you're on a $10,000 account, $2,000 is a lot of money. So bag should have been secured here at least for partials. And then if it doesn't go that way and it consolidates, which obviously it did for a couple hours and then slowly worked its way up, so be it. At least you secured partials. Now, what I'm getting questions about is taking partials. If you don't know how to take partials, then you need to learn how to take partials. All right, I'm not going to do a video on here to explain that. I'm going to be honest. I had trouble in my trading journey when I first started about taking partials. No, because then I want to be able to get a major bag when it continues to go down. So this was definitely a mindset that I had to work on by taking partial profits. Could be 25%, could be 50%, whatever the case may be. When you have an opportunity to secure your bag, some sort of bag, you could have, let's just say this was going to go all the way down. You could have closed 50% of it right here and then write it all the way down for the other 50%. Or it comes down here and you close another 25%, whatever the case may be. This is why it's important you must have a trading plan. If you're going into a trade, I don't know what I'm going to do. Well, you should have one. You need to make sure you have a goal for the week. Okay? And if you've hit that goal, then you can practice on demo. You can do mindset stuff like this. So I told this person today, secure a partial bag for sure. Make sure the stop loss is on or the exit manager's on. And this is where greed got in the way because it reversed. So you didn't take any profit when you're up $2,000. Okay? So just wanted to pass this message along in this video. And hopefully moving forward, when you have an opportunity to make money, you take it. Even if the trade is not doing much, or the risk to reward isn't that high, or it obviously reverses and goes the other way. Okay, so very, very important. Secure the bag, take partials, move your stop loss, use your exit manager, and do not be greedy. All right, when you are up $2,000, you need to secure a bag. It could have been 25% at 500, whatever the case may be. If you don't know how to take partials, make sure you learn how to take partials. Okay. All right. Have a great day, everybody.